Multiply polynomials. Here we have a thinking question. It says a square has an area of x square. That means we have a square like this, and the area of this square is x square. One dimension is increased by 3 and the other is decreased by 1. So let us assume that this dimension is increased by 3, so we can draw it like this, let us say, and the other is decreased by 1, so we get a rectangle. So we get a rectangle kind of like this. So that is the modified square. Now the question here is, write an expression that represents increase in area. So from the initial to final. Expand and simplify the expression for increased area. If x represents 5 meters, find the increase in area. So here we are given area of the square as x square. Now if the area is x square, then the side length for the square has to be x square. Each dimension is x. So it says one dimension is increased by 3 and the other is decreased by 1. That means one dimension will become x plus 3 and the other will be x minus 1. So these are the new dimensions. Now part A is write an expression that represents increase in area. So initial area, final area. So increase in area is equal to, the final area is x plus 3 times x minus 1. And the initial area was x square. So we'll take away the initial area. So difference between the two areas, increase in area. So that is part A. Now we need to expand and simplify the expression for increased area. So let's expand and simplify it. So x times x gives us x squared minus x. So we're multiplying x minus 1 with x and then by 3. With 3 it becomes 3x minus 3. We have minus x squared. Now we can combine the like terms to simplify. X square minus x square is 0. Minus x plus 3x will give us 2x minus 3. So that is the increased area. Now part C is, so we have written part A here, this is B, and C is, if x represents 5 meters, find the increase in area, right? So if x equals to 5 meters, if x equals to 5 meters, in that case, change in area, let me write increased area, should be equals to, we'll replace x by 5. 2 times 5 minus 3, which is equals to 10 minus 3, and that is 7. And the units are meter square. So our answer is 7 meters square. So that is how we can solve such questions. Thank you.